They say the national parks are America's best idea, and I tend to agree. The most beautiful treasures in our country are preserved for everyone to enjoy. But have you ever wondered what makes our parks so amazing? Like, why is the world-famous granite of Acadia so pink? Or why are the Everglades so wet? Or how come Congaree is home to so many giant trees? Or why build a fort on a remote tropical island? And what are the connections between people and the land before any of the parks were even here? This year, we're back on the trail, learning about an ancient volcano at the edge of the northern forest, why tropical islands emerge from the Caribbean Sea, and pretty much everywhere in between. We cover 1,800 miles, talk to dozens of scientists and rangers, and visit 8 national parks to learn how our planet works. So, lace up your hiking boots, pack your sunscreen, and bring your curiosity, and join me on another great adventure.
New parks, more stories, it's a whole new season of OutSCIder Classroom.